been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone.
Hi guys.
What are we doing today?
Just relaxing.
Why?
Because my belly's been hurting.
From a reaction from your Alph-gal. Yeah, I think you ate too many Skittles yesterday. Yeah. Can't eat so much candy. Yeah. We're just gonna quit. We're just gonna relax, huh? We're in our PJs, relaxing. Yeah, who's gonna have a relaxing day?
Yeah. Yes, we are.
Okay, see you soon.
Pizza out. Hi guys. Today was chillaxing, even Sunday though. I was just watching some Even Fine Driver, if you know what it is.
You had a headache and a belly ache.
Yeah, and my eyes did hurt. My eyes hurt. They did, but now they don't.
You took some medicine and now you feel better.
Yeah, I do really feel better.
Think we're gonna get some sleep tonight and feel much better in the morning.
Yeah, I do.
See, this is what happens when we have a reaction. It lasts all day, sometimes longer.
Yes.
You just don't feel good, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
Like one time I had pink eye. The video is just down there. This one, down here.
And we're gonna get some rest. Goodbye, guys. They have names? Hi, bud.
Rose is the girl on the left.
Hi, girl. How do you tell the difference?
She's got this little spot right there. She's also the one making that loud noise. Here in a second. It's beep. And then that's the male. And there's 4 random.
Those are the little ones back there.
Yeah,
They're not as big as I thought they'd be.
No, they don't stand up aggressively. They look a lot taller when they stand up too.
Is that...
I don't have anything for you. I should get something for you.
Say hi there, Bob. Hi.
Aren't they cool?
Oh, they're hungry.
Did you hear that?
That almost like a drum sound. Is that the sound they make?
That's
And that
the...
little one over there with them.
There's little ones over there.
What's that? This is what I did this one. They're so cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Female for sure. The blonde one. That's it. You can fit on her and yeah.
Oh me, oh my!
Here's the baby.
The baby's so nice. Aren't they funny ears?
I think I have it zoomed up real far.
You do or not?
I do. And I can't really get
You go in. You need to stay out here.
I'm gonna wait. I don't need to go in that quick. You probably don't want to touch them while they're eating too, huh?
Yeah, I put their head. This one a little bit.
Oh,
They're not crazy or anything. These guys are so forcing for you can.
Crazy. They're crazy looking.
they're so cool, though. Huh?
They are. You like them?
I
You
hope
can see
there's
where they're not
two
like.
breeds.
Yeah, they're not
I
aggressive,
hope there's two breeds.
I guess.
Yeah, anyway, you're fine. I wish I brought some, like those old crates. It's something if I had them at the house, I could just build one up. Never, but
Mhm.
I don't
Oh,
ever
I hope
remember
they're-
when I'm going to.
Free breeds and free non-breeds. I hope it's like that.
What you eating there, bud?
How come I only say 2 and 3? I can only say 2 and 3.
There's 4 over there, Susie. They're just in a row.
Oh, now I see the third head.
Oh, quit hissing. That's the female. She's got the bear spot on her chest where it swells up. Make that noise too. I guess it does it when they get older and have done it enough times.
That little one is pretty little compared to all the others, huh?
It's a baby.
Mm-hmm. I'll step back. Do you see that eyeball I got?
I'm a dinosaur, you know.
Like this?
Yeah, there's, you can see a bare spot. I think that's her. That bare spot on it.
Like her ear is blue, like
It
around
is
the
too.
skin around it.
Or it was earlier. They both were the same earlier. Yeah. That might change with
The seasons.
or with turkeys do that when they gobble. So the drumming may do it. Blood flow change.
Oh, did you see that guy? Like that.
Trying to go through or look through.
No, you're like into the tub.
Let me get my head in there, man.
Like, what's that noise?
What you're doing if you're gonna get that close to them. Keep your eyes on them.
You keep.
Say gobble, 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 gobble. Oh yeah, he's got all kinds of stuff going on in here.
Oh, it was looking real good until that hard freeze. Oh, this stuff was still growing.
You got the chickens going too. You got that rooster. That sounded like a door shut, didn't it? Oh,
We should have a lid over this.
No,
they won't fly.
turkeys, they get into it. Finally got him to do it.
Oh, look at
Oh, it's pineapple. Are these the lemons or are these the
I have no idea which on there. Just look,
lemons? These are lemons.
it's the right time.
Yeah. I wonder which one are these? Are these lemons too?
Lime.
Limes. They look more like lemons than the lemons do.
There's a lemon tree, but it's looking poor. Something got into it.
Okay, while everything's, the machine is going, the embroidery machine, I'm gonna cook some, or get some dinner started. This is a crock pot meal, and I'm going to use a crock pot liner. This is an older crock pot, and we used to use, like, bake meat, other red meats and stuff in here. So just to help prevent any cross-contamination, I put a liner in there. I don't know if, like, the meats and stuff, like if it stays or soaks into the ceramic, so it shouldn't, but just to be safe, we do put a liner in there. This is to be Alph-gal safe. We are going to use, well, we're making barbecued, like pulled pork sandwiches, but with chicken. And so I'm using this Springer's Mountain Farm chicken, which you can get from Country Mart or Price Chopper, Town and Country. They're all pretty much the same brand, or same store, but this is what it looks like. And I got it on sale, actually. These are really fairly expensive chicken, so kind of neat to be able to get it on sale. This is still slightly frozen, doesn't matter. I'm gonna put 2 or 3 chicken breasts into the crock pot at the bottom, and wash my hands. Okay, and then it says to use, I found this recipe on Pinterest, and we've already tried it out once, and it's really good. So we're going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's. It recommends using the honey barbecue one, but this is the one that we can have at home. It's just the traditional, original. And it says to put in 1 1/2 or 1 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce. So I'm just gonna eyeball it, because I'm a rebel like that. Okay. Then it says to use 1/2 cup of Italian dressing. This is Italian dressing we can use. It's called a Big Mama's. It'll focus. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's called Big Mama's, or Yo Mama's, my bad. Yo Mama's. And it is Italian dressing and dip, and it is sugar-free, dairy-free, and gluten-free. We get this at Walmart. And it says use 1/2 cup. Again, just eyeballing it. Then 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm just using Heinz brand. Use whatever brand you like. And then some light brown sugar. It says 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. And then some garlic powder, some onion powder, salt and pepper. So I'm just going to use this onion powder. Onion powder is 1 tablespoon. Seems like a lot. Okay. And then garlic powder is 1 tablespoon. I'm using garlic salt, and I just won't put the salt in. And then some pepper, and the salt and pepper are just to taste, so if you don't like pepper, don't put it in there. If you don't like salt, don't put it in there. Or use your own seasonings. These recipes, you don't have to follow them 100%. Now it says I don't think I did. It says to put all the liquid ingredients into a mixing bowl first and mix it together and then pour it on top. I didn't do that last time, so I'm not doing it this time, and it was fine. And then I'm just gonna put it on low for like 4 hours and then come check it. And then once it's cooked, once the chicken's cooked all the way through, and then you'll shred it and put it on whatever buns there or bread that you like. We use the let me get it. It's Dave's Killer Bread. This brand also has buns and bagels and all kinds of stuff. My husband and daughter both use this and they don't have any trouble. So if you haven't tried it, try it. It's, you know, pretty expensive like everything else that is, you know, healthier for you is, but when you have to do it, you have to do it. Alright, so that's our barbecue chicken sandwich recipe. If you guys try it, let me know in the comments below and let me know how you liked it. Okay, so I went ahead and shredded it, the chicken, and I turned it down to warm. It's been in there about 3 hours. And it's only 2:30 so in the afternoon, so it's gonna be a little while before we actually eat it. So I switched it to warm to let it finish kind of cooking, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're ready to eat. I already put the recipe in.
No way.
Oh, they're pretty. Fuzzball and Navy.
Fuzzball and Navy. Which one's which?
Fuzzball's the black one in front, and Navy's the one in the back.
Mmm.
Get another box that'll fit in here.
Don't run away, boy. Don't run away. Don't run away.
They like to play.
Don't run away. It's okay.
They like to play. They're cute little ones. Navy likes scrubs on her belly. Navy got like scrubs on her bellies. She really does. She's a cute bud. That one, the one in there's a girl. Definitely. I don't know about this one. We'll just have to see which one has babies.
No, well, let's not have any babies. How about that?
They're both girls.
Well, we can fix that. I'll call this one Fluff Ball. How about we come up with a different name?
No, scrub ball.
That's not what. It's different every time.
It was puffball and scrub ball and
What about Ashes?
They're both girls, though.
Yeah. Or River. But it's black.
Sadie.
Zadie. You don't have to name them after all your.
I want to.
I'm gonna go get Josie. Hold on.
Josie loves cats. Do you want to swap? Let's trade.
Nope, I'm gonna get Josie.
They're so cute. We need to put a box in there now.
we got a box. It won't fit in there. I'm not real sure what we're doing there. Where's the other cat go? Mama got it?
Yeah. Oh no. They're not allowed to go inside. We got kitties! Kitty. And
Did Angela help you find it?
What is that?
You did.
$100 school shirt.
And what does it have on it?
I don't know how, but we need to get Claire's photo back.
Day of school.
And what does it have on here?
Of course.
It has little black dots.
Cow prints for how many are on there?
100.
Over this way. Craziness. You excited for 100 days of school?
Yeah.